Now, there's a good chance that you use the Windows default camera application to attend online business meetings or for entertainment purposes. But if it suddenly does not work, here's a video on how you can fix it. Now, what you can try to do first is to close all the camera-dependent applications. Do it by opening Task Manager, switch to Processes tab, right-click on all the camera-dependent applications, then choose the End Task option from the context menu. Now, once you close all such applications that may use the camera, check if the problem continues. But if that did not work, download the latest camera driver update. Do it by opening Device Manager, double-click on Camera, right-click Camera Driver, and then select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Now, Windows will now search for and download any available camera driver update. For your last resort, use the built-in camera troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, select Troubleshoot, select Auto Troubleshooter, then click the Run option next to Camera option. Now the troubleshooter windows will appear, and you have to click Yes on it to allow some automated troubleshooting. And those are the following fixes for the following error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.